This how to 1 minute will show you how to change hero voice in Mobile Legends on iPhone. To change your hero voice, open your Mobile Legends app and tap on the settings icon at the top right. Now tap on language, select voice, and here you will get bunch of different voice. To select any of them, just tap on the voice and tap on OK, and the voice will be downloaded. Once the voice downloaded, select the voice, and now you have to restart your Mobile Legends game app and relaunch it, and then you will see your hero voice has been changed. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.